What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial. For today's topic, I'll be teaching you how to deposit Robux and Bloxflip. Let's start this tutorial by opening a browser app on your computer. In the search bar, search for the Roblox Bloxflip. Then click on this specific website. Now here on the website, click on the login at the top right. Then enter your Roblox username. And if you have an affiliate code, enter it, then click sign in to login. At the top right, click on the plus sign icon and then choose Robux. After that, click on login securely to my Roblox account. Once again, enter your username and your password. Complete the CAPTCHA challenge. Then when the verification is complete, wait for it to finish loading the site. Now choose the amount that you want to deposit and click Deposit Robux. And that's simply it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.